Big 6 Lesson Introduction. My name is Mrs. Matthews. I am the Media Resource Specialist at our school. A Media Resource Specialist is an information specialist and an excellent resource when doing research, so I wanted to introduce myself to you. I will be helping you learn about the Big 6 research process. Having to do a research project can be overwhelming. Using the Big 6 research process can help you by breaking the steps up. As part of this online lesson, you will visit our online lesson page on TES Blendspace. You will take a pretest to see what you already know about the Big 6 research process. You will watch a presentation that introduces the Big 6 research process and review a handout that summarizes the Big 6. As a class, we will sing the Big 6 song. The lyrics are on the handout. You will interact with a presentation that shows how Santa might use the Big 6 research process to solve a problem. You will create a paper cube to help you remember the steps of the Big 6. You will take turns rolling the cube and telling a partner what tasks are completed in each step of the Big 6. And you will print a Big 6 bookmark to bring with you when you come to the library, which is also on the handout. At the conclusion of this lesson, you will be able to state the 6 steps to the Big 6 research process, explain the task completed in each step, and apply knowledge of the Big 6 research method to a given scenario. This lesson addresses the following standards: the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills State Standards for 4th grade, number 24, Research and Synthesizing Information. Students clarify research questions and evaluate and synthesize collected information. Students are expected to improve the focus of research as a result of consulting expert sources such as the school librarian. And number 26, Research Organizing and Presenting Ideas. Students organize and present their ideas and information according to the purpose of the research and their audience. Students are expected to draw conclusions through a brief written explanation and create a works cited page from notes, including the author, title, publisher, and publication year for each source used. It also will address the Common Core Standard for 4th grade reading, number 4.9. Integrate information from 2 texts on the same topic in order to write or speak about the subject knowledgeably. And it addresses the International Society for Technology in Education Standard 3A. Students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. It also addresses AASL Standard A4. Learners act on an information need by determining the need to gather information, identifying possible sources of information, and making critical choices about information sources to use. The Big 6 is a research process that can help you by breaking the steps up. The Big 6 research process includes the 6 steps that will help you plan your project, select sources, and take good notes, and plan and evaluate your paper or project. Your first step is to open Blendspace and select the Big 6 process lesson. Next, select Take Quiz to take a pre-assessment to assess what you already know about the research process. The Big 6 research process will help you simplify the process of writing a paper or completing a project. You will learn about the Big 6 by engaging in an online lesson on Blendspace before you come to Learning Commons next week. Your next step is to log into Blendspace, locate the Big 6 process lesson, and take the pre-assessment labeled Take Quiz. You will then select each box in Blendspace to view the Big 6 presentation and handout, apply what you've learned to a new scenario using the Santa presentation, and review what you've learned using the paper cube activity.